Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy. Let's try to solve workbook question number 12 based upon ternary operator. Sir, please just look at the question. Int a the output is. That means basically we need to solve this. We need to solve this. Nothing else. A and then printf. Okay, let me focus on this. Don't worry about the declaration part. Int a, everybody knows. Sir, we need to solve this. Okay. See, if you try to understand this expression contain only one question mark and only one colon. That means, sir, the expression before question mark is the left expression, and sir, from question mark till colon is middle part, and after colon is the after colon. That means I am working on this, sir. After colon, this is the right part. Okay. So compiler will first evaluate left part. So do let me know 120 greater than 50. Is it true or false, sir? This is true. This is true. That means the value of this expression is 1 or true. Sir, because left expression is true, the value of this entire expression is given by middle expression. So, do I need right part? No, sir. Do I need right part? Sorry, the right part is this. This is only printf. The right part is only this. The right part is only this. This is the right part. This is the left part. And from question mark till this colon, this is the middle part. If it is true, sir, the value of this entire expression is given by middle part. So, let me rewrite it again. A is equal to, sir, do we need this now? No. A is equal to printf. This is a beautiful question. Believe me, this is a beautiful question. And printf CSE. Printf CSE or printf Pankaj or printf Pankaj. Sir. In order to solve this, try to understand, sir, how compiler will understand this. See, this printf is associated with this and or. Sir, priority of and is more. That means this printf is this with this and. That means for compiler, this expression is like this. Firstly, this will be evaluated and then ORed with this expression. Okay. So, when compiler try to evaluate this, it, firstly it will solve this. So, printf gate. Now, here comes a very good question. Sir, for this end, we are using printf gate. Is printf is an expression, or the question is there some value associated with printf? Sir, this is a big question. Is there some value associated with printf? Yes. Try to understand. Printf, the value associated with printf is, sir, what is the task of printf? Printf used to print something on the output screen. For example, if you use this printf, what happen? Sir, on the monitor screen, this printf will print G, A, T, T. So, how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4. This printf will print 1, 2, 3, 4 character on the screen. Sir, what is the value of printf? Try to understand. This printf do two things. First, it will print, and if you ask for a value, this printf return the number of characters successfully printed by it on the screen. So, how many characters are printed by this printf? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means after printing, if you want the value, see, till now we didn't use this value. Try to understand. Now we are using this value. So, what is the value of this printf? Sir, it is 4. Okay. Sir, for this end, the first operand is non-zero. So, compiler will go to this for sure. Again, what does this printf do? Sir, at current cursor position, it will print CSE. How many characters are printed by this printf? 3 characters. That means if you ask for a value, what is the value? Sir, 3. So 4 is a non-zero value, that is true. 3 is a non-zero value, true and true. Sir, what is the result of this AND operator? True. That means non-zero, that means 1. So, sir, this already printed, and we have A is equal to 1 ORing with printf Pankaj. Now, for revision purpose, just use this question. Sir, if the first operand is non-zero, in case of logical OR, if the first operand is non-zero, will compiler ever go to this? No, sir. Short circuit evaluation. Sir, logical OR says, if at least one of the operand is true, my result will be true. And if the very first operand, is true, will compiler go to this? No, sir. That means this expression will never be evaluated. 1 or anything, the output is true, that means 1. So what is the value that goes inside A? The value that goes inside A is 1. So till now, what happened? Sir, on the screen we have gate CSE and 1 value is assigned to A by this. But later on, what we are doing? We are again printing the value of A. So what is the value that goes inside A? Sir, 1. That means what is the output of this code? The output of this code is gate CSE1. Gate CSE1. This is a beautiful question based upon ternary operator as well as short circuit evaluation, as well as logical and logical OR. Beautiful question. And even printf, and even for printf. So this is a beautiful question. I hope you get the answer. What is the answer? Sir, the output of this code is nothing but GATE, gate CSE1. Beautiful question. So I hope everyone who is watching this lecture must get to know how things are working in case of ternary operator. Sir, you have discussed something about printf. Let's solve some question based upon the value associated with printf. Sir, what does printf return? Sir, or don't think about return. Sir, what is the value associated with printf if we wanted to use it? Sir, the value associated with printf is the number. See, I am saying number. That means it must be an integer value. The number of characters displayed or printed by it on output screen, That means, sir, try to understand, sir. Till now, if I use printf Pankaj, what is the output of this code? Till now, if I did something like this and ask you, what is the output of this code? Sir, the output of this code is Pankaj, because it is just printf. Are we using this value? Are we using the value associated with printf? No, sir. Try to understand. Sir, this expression is doing only one thing, printing. But if I wanted to use the value associated with printf, sir, if you are saying that there is some value associated with this, and that value is number, that means an integer, can I collect that value inside an integer data type? Yes, sir. Inside an integer variable? Yes, sir. So let me do that, sir. Hash include stdio.h void main int I is equal to printf Pankaj. there is no space. That means I am saying something like this. Okay. And let me try to print the value that goes inside I. Sir, from first declaration, from first line, somewhere in memory a variable I is declared. Sir, what is this? This is an assignment statement. Previously, if we use something like this, again this is an assignment statement. Firstly, this value is evaluated. Am I right? This value is evaluated. Similarly, if you are writing I is equal to printf Pankaj, for compiler, this is an assignment statement and compiler try to evaluate this. Sir, in order to evaluate it, printf is a function, this performs some action. What does this printf do? Sir, if I forget everything else, this printf will print Pankaj. So how many character? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the task is over. But what is the value associated with this? Sir, 6. Previously, we are not using this value, but now I am trying to assign this value inside this variable I. So what is the value that goes inside I? Sir, 6. So by this, till this point, what happened? Sir, Pankaj is printed and I get the value 6. Now, when this printf is executed, sir, %d, that means compiler gets to know some integer value is printed at current cursor position. And where to collect that value? Go to the variable I and collect that value. That means what is the output associated? Sir, the output of this code is nothing but Pankaj 6. I hope this thing is clear to each and everyone. So that is the value associated with printf statement. That's all for this session. Let's meet in next session. Bye-bye. Take care.